Educators at the University of Illinois Springfield can choose among many technologies to support and guide their students to achieve learning outcomes. 3 recent tools offered to UIS faculty in the COLRS video studios are green screens, shaky hand, and the lightboard.
Today I'm going to show you how can we use our technology to support you with your lecture. It will make your lecture more colorful, more powerful, and more attractive to the student.
So what I want to do is what is known as a dilution, and I'm going to do this by using a 3-valve pipette bulb, which will allow me to pipette my solution out of my flask.
Actually tell which of this chemical is more potent, which you can, from here you can tell that obviously chemical A is more potent than chemical B, because at a very low concentration of 17, it has elicited adverse effect from 90% of the people, whereas at the same concentration for chemical B, or you see that it's only 20% of the people that has been affected.
What resulted was an environmental catastrophe as relates to lead poisoning for the approximate 100 citizens of Flint.
Welcome back to Inorganic Chemistry. This chapter will discuss symmetry of molecules, how to describe it mathematically, and how to apply it. So if we look again at our example of the water molecule, and it has this 180-degree rotation motion, the element about which this rotation takes place would be an axis.
And just so you know, that the regional manager for Toyota has indicated that he would like to see other benefits to the company, as well as the public relations boost. So this is your mission. This is your first project. You can't get it wrong. So again, examining those 3 projects, which one would you greenlight for the consideration by the City Council?
There are 3 huge advantages for this lecturer when they're using the lightboard to giving the lecture to the student. First, they don't have to turn their back to writing on the traditional blackboard as before. They can both writing on the lightboard and look at the student at the same time. The second advantage, the lightboard is also being supported by the video editing process. This will help the lecturer to add their PowerPoint slide, the graphic, the images and text as they want. Third one, and most important, the lecturer can do the annotation on the figure that they already added.